Welcome to Falcon TV. Subscribe to the channel to stay informed and inspire us.
Building your own quadcopter drone for aerial photography and videography is an engaging DIY project that allows full customization. With some basic parts, tools, and following this guide, you can assemble a functional drone from individual components. Required parts and tools: quadcopter airframe kit or 3D printed frame, 4 brushless motors 1500 kV with 10 12-inch propellers, 4 electronic speed controllers ESC 230A, flight controller CC3D, Pixhawk, Naze 32, etc. Radio transmitter and receiver 6 plus channel 2.4 GHz system. 14.8 volts 5000 mAh LiPo battery with XT60 connector. FPV monitor and 600 mW video transmitter. GoPro or other HD camera with memory card. Soldering iron, wires, connectors, zip ties, shrink tubing. Frame: the chassis frame holds all the drone components together. You can get a dedicated quadcopter frame kit or 3D print your own custom design. It should be sturdy yet lightweight. Motors: you need 4 high kV rated brushless motors, 1500 kV, that can generate enough lift and power for the drone. Outrunner motors are commonly used. Propellers: 2-blade propellers ranging from 10-12 inches in diameter and pitch are typical. The number of blades and size affects thrust and efficiency. ESC's electronic speed controllers regulate power from the battery to the motors. Get 230A ESCs designed for quadcopters that can handle your motors. Flight controller: this is the brain of the drone, containing sensors, gyros, and processors that control stability and flight behavior. Popular options are CC3D, Pixhawk, Naze 32. Receiver: A6 plus channel 2.4 GHz radio receiver compatible with your transmitter and flight controller to receive user input commands. Transmitter: the handheld 6 plus channel 2.4 GHz radio transmitter with controls to operate the drone remotely. Battery: a 14.8 volts 5000 mAh capacity lithium polymer LiPo battery can adequately power a photography drone. Higher capacity equals longer flight time. Camera: use a GoPro or any lightweight HD camera that can capture stable video footage while in flight. FPV monitor: an LCD monitor with built-in receiver provides live first-person view from the drone camera as you fly. Tools: you will need soldering equipment for electrical connections, basic tools to assemble frame, zip ties and shrink tubing for wiring and mounting components. Assemble the chassis frame according to kit instructions. Choose right or left direction 2-blade propellers and mount to motors. Screw motors to ends of frame arms securely. Angle arms slightly outward. Solder ESCs to motors. Solder battery wires to ESC input pads. Mount ESCs on plate with standoffs for airflow. Stack flight controller above. Connect ESCs to flight controller output rails. Attach sensors. Mount and connect radio receiver to flight controller channel pins. Program and calibrate ESCs following manual instructions. Insert battery. Power on. Test motor rotation. Switch wrong wires. Bind radio transmitter to receiver as per manual. Test controls. Mount camera and FPV monitor. Vibration: dampen and connect. Neatly route and tie down all wires. Double check connections. Building your own fully functional quadcopter drone from components is an incredibly rewarding DIY project. By carefully following assembly steps and thoroughly testing, you can create a customized aerial photography platform. Make sure to follow local regulations and fly safely.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.